Good morning, ma'am, and my dear friends. Myself, Ramandeep Singh of class 9th A. My topic is sound wave. Sound is a vibration that propagates as an acoustic wave through a transmission medium such as a gas, liquid, or solid. In human physiology and physiology, sound is a reception of such wave and their reception by the brain. Only acoustic waves that have frequency lying between about 20 Hz and 20 Hz elect an auditory percept in human. Sound waves above 20 Hz are known as ultrasound. Sound waves below 20 Hz are known as infrasound. Different animal species have varying hearing ranges. My second topic is propagation of sound. Propagation of sound. Sound is a sequence of waves of pressure which propagate through compressible media such as air or water. Sound can Sound can propagate through solid as well, but there are additional modes of propagation. During their propagation, wave can be refracted, or attenuated by the medium. The purpose of this experiment is to examine what effect of characteristic of medium. All media have three properties which affect the behavior of sound propagation. A relationship between density and pressure. The motion of the medium itself, example wind, independent of motion of sound through the medium. If the medium is moving, the sound is further. Third, the viscosity of the medium. This determines the rate at which sound is attained for many media such as air or water. What happens when sound is propagating through a medium which does not have constant properties? One way that the propagation of sound can be represented is by the motion of wavefront line of constant pressure that move with time. In the simulation which follow the effect of the medium on sound propagation can be visualized. The user can can generate a variety of sound speed profile and wind speed profile by clicking on the profile choice and dragging the red established amplitude. Two sound sources are available: a spherical source in which internal sound wave emitted uniformly in all directions, and a planar source in which intuitive sound wave emitted in a single direction. The location of the source and its orientation can be changed by dragging the red dot. Sound propagation in this simulation is in two dimensions and media profile depend on height only. Pressing start will being the simulation. Propagation is represented both by ray black and wavefront red. Note that the sound speed CO is artificially low to calculated. The effect of media. Data include sound speed, wind speed, and diversity may be obtained by clicking anywhere within the orange propagation field. Thank you.